Hello everyone, it is Madison from Atlas Studio. Today I wanted to kind of show you my screen. I am just experimenting with the newest Showit feature that has been added in the last day, I think. So at the time of recording anyway. So what they have added is something very exciting. You guys will know previously I did a video on how to add a Instagram Lightwidget. So Instagram Lightwidget is an external program that you kind of had to hook up and integrate with Showit, and it cost a little bit of money. But Showit has now created a in-house connecting third part, like I don't know how to explain it, a feature that lets you embed your Instagram without having to go through a third party. So this is me just kind of playing around with it, and I recorded my screen and then I just am voice overing it now. So as you can see, before I added the new content block, which can be found in the bottom menu, and I'm pretty much just following the prompts. So it just gets you to connect your Instagram on the panel on the right. And once you've connected your Instagram, you can kind of go back out of it and it'll let you select the Instagram that you want to add, which is really cool. So now, as you can see on the screen, I'm just kind of playing with settings. This recording is the first time I've ever played with it, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I made it all work. As you can see, I'm kind of playing with the amount of rows and alignment, and I just am looking at all the features. So what's really cool about this is you actually get a lot of control in your Instagram feed, which is something that you never really got with Lightwidget. Lightwidget was really, I found it quite difficult, and I really love, and I'll show you as we get into it a little bit further, being able to use the Showit native side locking features is something that is really, really useful and makes the whole Instagram feed look super seamless. So just like anything else on Showit, you've got your desktop settings and your mobile settings. So at this point, I'm just playing with the mobile settings. I'm just trying to add 2 photos side by side. And then I figured out that I had the block too narrow. So I made it the width of the mobile, which is 320 pixels, and that allowed me to have them full width. So this is just a bit of a template I'm working on as well, so sneak peek of that one. And yeah, this is kind of what it looked like so far. And I wanted to play with the locking because that's something that is super important to me as a designer, to make sure that everything looks really nice. And you'll see here that I'm just going to be adding a couple of fallback images just from a couple of like photo shoots and images that I have in my folders. And I know I've got around 9 photos at this time. So I'm just adding around 9, saving it, and if Instagram never connects or something like that, there's going to be those fallback images, which is really cool. So just refreshing that preview. That's it when it's locked to the side. And you'll probably see I was a little bit unhappy with the way that looked, so we're playing with it again. And now I just kind of made it a little bit smaller. I decided I didn't want 3 rows, I just wanted the 2 rows. And I actually selected it to stretch lock to the side rather than just lock to the edge. So you'll see here now it's looking a lot better. So it's starting to fill in with more content. And then this is actually locking it to both edges, to stretch out to both edges, and you'll see what this looks like. So now you've got a bit of an idea of what each setting looks like. Hopefully it'll help you kind of design those little bits. And I was just checking here that when you click them, it does go to the Instagram post, which it does. So that's really exciting as well. Yeah, so this is pretty much a really exciting feature. I'm so pumped just playing with what it looks like when on different size screens, just to make sure. And I really like the edge stretch because when it's on tablet, it does just, it feels really nicely. So yeah, good luck.